Welcome back to the channel, my dear students, especially the students from class 9. Today we will discuss your geography portion. That is, you have totally 4 chapters now. Among this is geography of India, and today we will discuss the first and foremost, that is introduction of India. This is the first point of your chapter. This is geography of India. Today we will discuss about the introductional part of India. Okay, as you know, first thing to discuss the preliminary or the basic things of a topic, this is called introduction. Okay, this is called introductory part. So first of all, we see that is our country India is situated in the northern hemisphere. As you know, I know, we know. Okay, so the first question will be arise, yes sir, what is northern hemisphere as well as what is southern hemisphere? Yes, तो clearly हम आपके साथ पूरा clearly बात करेंगे, and I will try my level best to clarify all these things in a very easy manner. So let me give a little bit time so that I can clear everything in a micro level. Now a question may arise, sir, what is northern hemisphere? You have told no, India is in the northern hemisphere. So what is northern hemisphere and what is southern hemisphere? Yes, this is nothing but equator. That means 0 degree. This is called equator or 0 degree. This line passes through the middle of the globe, and this line called equatorial line or equator. This equatorial line divides the entire globe into 2 halves. The northern portion from this equatorial line is called northern hemisphere. It is called northern hemisphere, and the southern portion from this equatorial line or equator, it is called southern hemisphere. Okay, this is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now, if we see the map of India, here you see the map of India is here. No, this is India. Okay, the map of India. Now you see this is it in the northern hemisphere? Because it is on the north side of this equatorial belt or equatorial line, so it is in the northern hemisphere. First, I will discuss all these things in bulletin form. Okay, in bullet form, so that will easy for you to understand. Now, number 2, this is country is lies in the continent of Asia. Now, a question will be here arise, sir, how many continents are there? Yes, there are 7 continents totally, as you know, and among all these 7 continents, our India is in the continent of Asia. This is Asia now. So it is in the northern hemisphere. Number 1 point. Number 2, it is from the continent of Asia. Number 3, a democratic country. A question may arise, sir, what is democratic country? Why it is called? इसको क्यों democratic बोलता है सर? वजह क्या है? कारण क्या है? Yes. The definition of democracy is of the people, by the people and for the people. आदमी का अंदर से ये सरकार मतलब गवर्नमेंट मतलब have to form by the help of the public, for the help of the public. Okay, of the people, by the people and for the people. The exact definition of democracy is of the people, by the people and for the people. आदमी में से कोई एमएलए एमपी बनेगा और कौन चलेगा? By the people, we people. हाँ, हम लोग क्या करता है? वोटिंग नहीं करता है, हम वोटिंग करता है किसके लिए? एमएलए एमपी के लिए हम लोग वोटिंग करता है. ठीक है, और ये जो सरकार बनने का बाद में क्या होता है? दिस गवर्नमेंट बेसिकली सर्व्स द पीपल लाइक अस. सो इट इज द डेफिनेशन of democracy is of the people, by the people and for the people. Clear? So it is called democratic country. It is full of diversities from each and every aspects. India is full of diversities. Now if you see the map of India, physically, first you see physically, this portion is covered by mountain chains. So many mountains are there, accumulation of varieties mountains. Then it forms the Himalayan mountain region, Karakoram, Himalayan, etc., etc. Okay, this portion is covered by mountainous region. Now you see again this green color. This you know, this is a Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain. That means this portion is formed by the rivers and their tributaries as well as the river valleys. So the land portion of these valleys are very fertile. As India is a democratic country, as India is an agricultural country, so majority of the human population they are basically settled in this fertile land area. Number 3, this is a plateau region. Okay, this is a plateau region. Now there is a first difference in between plateau, plain and mountain, and last but not the least, this is a coastal region. These are the diversities from the physical point of view. If we consider it physically, then it is seen to be looked at, and these are all islands. These are all islands. Now, if you study it in physical point of view, then there are 4-5 types of landforms are in India. So it is called a diversified landform or diversified country. Whatever, it is full of diversities due to its variation in physical condition as well as climate. Now you see, from the climatic point of view, what happened? From the climatic point of view, this area is very cold, severe cold area. This is Jammu and Kashmir. Again, this entire portion is very cold area. Okay, and here is a third desert area in our India. Now, third desert area. This is third desert. Is it? So it is, the climate is very hot. Okay, now you come to this side, the coastal regions, the temperature is neither so hot or the temperature is neither so cold like Jammu and Kashmir. So from the climatological point of view, diversity is there in India. Now another point is there, that is socio-economic conditions. If you consider socio-economic conditions of the people or the population residing in India, then also it is visible that there is a very diversity among the peoples, among the population of our country. So it is called what? It is full of diversity due to its variation in different aspects. Clear? Now last but not the least, it is a united sovereign country. Up to 1947, our country was a follower country, and that was run by the Britishers. Okay. Now after 1947, what happened? Our India got independence, and after that period of time, that is 1947, 15 August, India got its sovereignty. That means today or at present, India is an independent country. It is not dependent upon any country or continent. So it is called a sovereign country. And this is the first part of this introduction of India. These are the gist. Okay. Now see, some questions may arise from this introductory part. What are the questions? Those are important. This is, India is situated in the northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere. A basic question, very easy for you, but even then, a basic question may come into the exam. That is, what is the situation of Indian landmass? Is it in the northern hemisphere or in the southern hemisphere? Then we know the answer will be, it is in the northern hemisphere. We already discussed this. Okay. Now the second one is, this country lies in the continent of Africa, then Asia, then North America and South America. We know India is a part of what? Asian continents. Okay. So the right answer will be, it's a country lies in the continent of Asia. Right? Next question, why India is called a democratic country? Because here in India, democracy is prevailing right from the independence till today, and the definition of democracy is of the people, by the people, and for the people. And this practice has been going on in the country, so it is called a democratic country. Next, mention an extreme hot climate region in India. Then the answer will be Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. And next one, the what causes floods in our country? We know that monsoon climate or monsoon wind is the only source wherefrom we get rainfall. We get rainfall seasonally. Sometimes we get rainfall all through the year, more or less. So, due to when this monsoon creates floods, this monsoon creates havoc, this monsoon comes and fall in our country, which is called burst of monsoon, then it basically creates what? Flood in our country. Flood is only due to the arrival of monsoon in India. This is the end of the topic. I think if it is okay for you, then please subscribe if you are new, and if you are just subscribe this channel, then please share it and make a comment. Thank you.